Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are helping to connect Dekco Security Camera to Wi-Fi internet. In simple words, we provide the solution for Dekco Security Camera not connecting to internet. Watch this video till end. First of all, you will need to download and install the Dekco app on your smartphone or computer. It will help to access the camera settings and manage the connection. You can simply download it from App Store and Google Play Store on your smartphone. Open the app and complete the registration process.
Fill in the email account and password after registration.
Add device
Add
option.
the solar camera by clicking Add Device. And
Here
then
we
choose
select
the battery camera. Hold
Now,
the device
power on the
button
camera.
to start the
Then
device.
click Next.
Click Next.
Press the reset
Hold the
button
reset button on your
Dekco Security Camera
device
up to
for
5
4
to
to
10
5 seconds and wait
Here
for
you
a
need to wait for
flashing
flashing the
red
red
indicator light.
Then
Click Next.
Now select your
Remove
Wi-Fi
all
network.
films from the lens.
Click the Next button.
Tap Next to show the
Here,
code.
you get the QR code on the
Camera
camera's
scan the
app.
code at a distance
Now,
of 5 to
bring
8
this code
inches.
to the front of
A
security
tone
camera.
will be heard after successfully
Camera scan
scanned.
the code and generate the beep
Wait
sound.
until 100%
Now
and
wait for the
blue light
installation
indicator
up to
is on.
100%.
Setup successful.
At last, click the Done button. If you need any assistance, then you can reach the technical experts. Thanks for watching.